Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is the first video of February 2026. And since we are officially in February when this video is released, I wanted to share some Valentine's Day inspiration. Now, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 pieces of clothing that were sent to me from Floerns on Amazon, and I've been working with Floerns for well over 2 or 3 years at this point. And yeah, so I'm really excited to share these outfits with you, or these pieces. We have got 4 dresses and 2 other articles of clothing, and I'm really excited. I hope that you guys can take away some inspiration for Valentine's Day. Now, these can be for a dinner date with your man, a brunch with your gal pal, or even a cozy night in if you're the type that chooses to stay in instead of going out for Valentine's Day. But either way, I'm really excited to share with you what came in this month for Valentine's Day. Now, first up is a maxi dress. This is a black halter top style dress with a knot tie detail right here that sits at the décolleté. The back is pretty open with a very low swoop. And again, carrying that knot detail to sit right at the small of your back. Like I said, this is a maxi. Actually, it's kind of like in between a midi and maxi, so it's not all the way to the ground, but it's like not up to your calves or anything. Like, it's got some really good length. It is not double lined. You may want to get some like little pasties for the nips and maybe even some shapewear because there's not a lot of structure in this. The material is very, very stretchy. So just keep those things in mind if you choose to order this dress. The next dress up is one of my personal favorites. Again, it is a maxi style dress, only it's in this really beautiful wine red color, and it is a one shoulder style dress. Now, this style of dress is actually trending right now, so underneath all the fabric, it is really a mini dress, okay? It's a bodycon style mini dress underneath, but then you have this sheer fabric that flows from the inside lining all the way to the floor. It's so beautiful. I love how we have this ruching detail along the side, giving you some shape. So beautiful. This would be great going to a more high-end restaurant with a pair of like strappy heels if it's not too cold. And then like a nice little clutch. I think that would be just so beautiful. The next dress up is another halter top style dress. I love a good polka dot, don't you? It is a pretty low cut in the front, so keep that in mind. The back has elastic, so there is quite a bit of room for stretch, along with some stretch along each side. So whenever you're ordering, go with your normal size. You don't have to worry about it being too small because there is quite a bit of stretch. Now, I wouldn't necessarily go down a size. I would definitely just stick with your normal size. Also, we have this little 2-tiered skirt portion on the bottom, making it super girly and flirty. Also, there's a slight drop waist on the top half, so this is not going to sit directly on top of your hips. It's going to kind of come down a little bit. So if you don't like a drop waist, you probably won't like this one. I know they're not for everyone's body type. I just want to put that disclaimer in there for in case you are interested in this dress. It also comes, I'm pretty sure, with like white with the black polka dots. Really cute as well, but y'all know black is my jam. Okay, next dress up is really fun and unique. It's not going to look like a lot right here. You're going to have to see it on for it to make complete sense, okay? So it is another one shoulder style dress, and these are the ones that I like to call like a worm dress because it has ruching all around the front and the back and the sides. It's in this really beautiful, it's like a cream, but I think online they call it apricot. Anyway, so we have this extra strip of fabric and kind of do like a high neck tie situation where the fabric drapes in the back. I think that's how they have it modeled. The strap has a good stretch to it, but it's also adjustable. So you should just order your normal size. And it is double lined. I'm pretty sure this comes in multiple colors. So if this cream color is not for you, be sure to check out the other colors. Everything will be listed down below in the description box. Now moving on to a fun top. I am so excited. I actually have not tried this on yet because it like just came in yesterday and I'm so excited for it. So this is a halter style top. Really beautiful with this, it's almost like a net, like fishnet mesh overlay over top of this wine red. Again, sticking with the Valentine theme. We have a high choker style neck. Beautiful. And it has 2 buttons with elastic on the back so that you don't feel like you're choking. This is the back side. It is completely lace with a few little buttons. Again, the material is very stretchy. I have not tried this on yet, but with how stretchy the material is, I would say you could probably order your normal size. This could be paired with so many different things. You could do dress pants, a skirt. You could do mini skirt, long skirt, a poofy tulle skirt. And the juxtaposition to that I think would be so beautiful with something more edgy and gothic style mixed with something really girly and like ballerina-esque. I think that is just so beautiful, maybe even with a pair of ballet flats. I think that would be so adorable. And last but not least comes the comfy cozies, which is these red and white striped crochet shorts with a fold over flap, elastic waistband. The material is extremely stretchy. I love how you have this red and white stripe. Pair this with a white t-shirt or red t-shirt. You could do something with some hearts on it for a good, fun, cozy night in, maybe with a bottle of Prosecco and a movie and some candies. I think that would be so awesome if you choose to take the stay-at-home route as opposed to the going-out route. Either way, these shorts are going to be so super comfortable. You could wear them year-round. I'm pretty sure these come in other colors. I am so excited to try these clothes on. So don't go anywhere just yet because I'm fixing to show you exactly what they look like on me. For reference, I am 5'5", roughly 150 pounds. And I'm normally a medium. Sometimes I have to go up to a large, sometimes I have to go to a small. But on average, I am a size medium. And with all of the rambling set aside, let's go try these clothes on.